In this video, I'm going to explain how to convert a video into pop geometry data and create visuals with 3D particles and trails. A tool-based TOX version with several additional features is available on my Patreon, so please feel free to use it if you are interested. You can manage various parameters from a single panel, allowing you to adjust the visuals intuitively and smoothly. This project is made up of the following sections: source video to pop, particle and trail generation, rendering, post-FX. On this channel, I also post other tutorial videos mainly focused on TouchDesigner. I'd be glad if you subscribe to my channel. Additionally, the project files are available for download on my Patreon. If you find my tutorials helpful, I would truly appreciate your support there. We're going to add a movie file in top and load a video of your choice. We're going to add a fit top and set fit to fill. Go to the common page and set the resolution to any value you prefer. In this case, we're going to use 1280 by 720. We're going to add a null top and rename it source. We're going to add a top to pop. Copy and paste the top to pop, and set first RGBA contains to height, bar. We can now see that depth has been added. We're going to add a math mix pop. Connect the top to pop to input one of the math mix pop. Set operation to A, enter in 1_p.z in scope A, enter p.z in result scope. This allows us to convert the top into a pop with depth and color information. We're going to add a delete pop enter p2 in attribute. Gradually increase value to delete the extra points in the background. We're going to add a particle pop. Set point ID reuse to don't reuse point IDs. Set maximum particles to 10,000. Set birth rate to reference maximum particles. Set life expect to 1. Set life variance, fraction, to 0.5. We're going to add a keyboard in chop. Set both initialize and start in the particle pop to reference the keyboard in chop. Go to the attributes page of the particle pop and enter color in input attributes. We're going to add a noise pop. Set period to 0.6 and amplitude to 0.01. Go to the output page, and turn on Curl 3D. Set combine operation to none. We're going to add a math combine pop. Go to the uniforms page, and create a uniform named weight scale. Enter 2 in value. Go to the combine page, and click the plus button 3 times. Set the first operation to A*A, enter p.z in scope A, enter z noise weight in result scope. Set the next operation to A*B, enter z noise weight in scope A and weight scale in scope B. Set the next operation to A*B, enter noise curl in scope A and z noise weight in scope B, enter flow in result scope. Set the last operation to A+B, enter P in scope A and flow in scope B. Drag and drop the math combine pop onto the particle pop, and set it as the target feedback loop pop. This allows us to create particle movement where the noise becomes stronger as the particles move farther from the origin along the z-axis. We're going to add a sphere POP set frequency to 3 and uniform scale to 0.002. We're going to add a copy pop. Connect the Math Combine pop to input one of the copy pop. Go to the Template Attributes page, and enter Color. This allows the copies to inherit the color. We're going to add a trail pop. Set Reset to reference the keyboard in Chop. Turn on Match by Attribute, and enter part ID in attribute name. Add 2 zeros to max number of line strips. Connect the Math Combine pop to the trail pop. We can see that the trails have been created. We're going to add an attribute pop and create a line width attribute. Enter 0.06 in value. Connect the copy pop to a geometry comp, rename it Particles. Copy and paste the geometry comp, and connect the attribute pop to it. Rename it Trails. We're going to add a camera comp. We're going to add a light comp. Go to the light page, and set dimmer to 2. Go to the shadows page, and set shadow type to soft, 2D mapped. Set max shadow softness to 0, filter samples to 64, and search steps to 64. Set shadow resolution to 4096. Increasing shadow resolution allows you to render more detailed shadows. However, this may increase the processing load, so please adjust this value according to the performance of your computer. We're going to add a render top. Set the alpha value of background color to 1. Go to the common page. Set the fit tops resolution to reference the render tops resolution. We're going to add a null top. Please adjust the position and rotation of the camera comp as needed. We're going to add a Phong mat. Drag and drop it onto the particle's geometry comp to assign the material. We're going to add a line mat. Drag and drop it onto the trail's geometry comp to assign the material. Go to the line page, and set near color to white. Please adjust the position and rotation of the light. We're going to add a feedback top. Set Reset Pulse to reference the value from the keyboard in Chop. We're going to add a level top. Go to the post page, and enter 0.8 in opacity. We're going to add a composite top. Connect the render top to input one of the composite top. Set operation to over. Drag and drop the composite top onto the feedback top to create a feedback loop. We're going to add a bloom top. Set min bloom radius to 0.35, bloom threshold to 0.005, and bloom intensity to 3. We're going to add a blur top. We're going to add a composite top, and connect the bloom top to it. Set operation to screen. We're going to add a ramp top. Set type to circular and extend left to hold. Go to the output page, and set combine with input to set resolution only. We're going to add a Luma Blur top. Connect the composite top to input 0 of the Luma Blur top. Set white filter width to any value you prefer. This allows us to blur the areas corresponding to the white parts of the ramp top. We're going to add a select top. Drag and drop the null top into the top parameter of the select top. We're going to add a noise top. Go to the output page, and set RGB to noise. Go to the noise page. Set harmonic gain to 0, exponent to 2.75, amplitude to 1.25, and offset to 1. We're going to add a matte top. Set matte channel to luminance. Connect the composite top to input 0, the select top to input 1, and the noise top to input 2. This allows us to display the original video in the black areas of the noise top, noise 2. Connect the matte top to both the Luma Blur top and the ramp top. Adjust the number of particles as needed.